Hello friends, this is Nandish and you are watching Mobile Psycho. Thanks for your support to my first video. Let's move to second video in 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. Today we are going to see the unboxing video of brand new 10RG. I received the package from Amazon today. Let's break the seal and see what is inside it. By opening the wrapper, there is a box named Amazon Prime. Actually, the original price of the mobile is around 12k, but I have got it for 7k in Amazon Prime offer. Thank you Amazon. It's stuck. Oh yes. Into the Amazon box, it's the original 10RG mobile phone. There are two variants in this mobile. One is 3GB 32GB and 4GB 64GB. I have bought you 4GB 64GB for better performance. Let's peel this paper. Guys, please do subscribe my channel and support me for my future videos. Let's break this paper and let's move to the mobile phone directly. Here is the 10RG. Guys, you can see it's a 4GB variant. Wait, let me show you. It's a 4GB 64GB variant. Let's break this seal off. Oh, it's very hot. Yes, I have made it. By opening the box, the phone is at the top. I'm gonna take it out now. It feels very good in hand. Though it has 4000 mAh battery, it's not heavy. It's very smooth. Let's come back to mobile later. Inside the box, we have some paperwork along with warranty card. On the top, we have a travel adapter. I think it's it's a 9V 2A charger. There is a SIM ejector tool and there is a cable. It's a micro USB cable. Let's keep this box aside. Now let's see the physical design of the mobile. On the back, it has a dual camera setup with dual tone flash and a fingerprint sensor. At the bottom we have a speaker grills, micro USB charger and the primary microphone. On the right we have volume rockers and the power button. Power button is very hard to find. On the top we have 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left we have a SIM slot. Let's see whether it is a hybrid slot or dedicated slot. I missed the pin. Wait guys. Yes, I found it. Let's see whether it's a dedicated or hybrid slot. Friends, it is a hybrid slot. Either you can put two SIMs or one SIM and one memory card at a time. Now let's power it on and see about the software features. At the time, I will give you the main specification of the mobile. It is powered by a Snapdragon 626 processor running at 2.2 GHz. As I said, it has 3GB 32GB variant and a 4GB 64GB variant. It has a 5.5-inch Full HD display with capacitive case, and it has a dual 13MP camera at the back, and at the front it has a 16MP camera with LED flash for both front and back. It has a big 4000 mAh battery. It is available in two colors. One is Go Grey and the other one is Beyond Black. I am having Beyond Black in my hand. I bought this in Amazon Prime, so it's asked me to subscribe for it. Now let's skip this setup. Yes, I have made all the settings. It is a pure stock Android. Let's turn this, something is on, yes, it's a Wi-Fi. Let's turn this Wi-Fi off and see what is the out of box Android version. To see that, go to settings. Where is it? Yeah, go to settings and tap about phone. About phone, long press the Android version. It is running on 7.1.2 Nougat out of the box. I don't know whether it will get update or not. Moving to RAM memory, out of 4 GB, 1.1 GB is used by the system. Now moving to storage, out of 64, 6.82 GB is used by the system. Remaining 58 GB is available for the user. Okay guys, I received this phone in night, so I couldn't able to take photos. I'll do a separate video for camera. And that's it for the unboxing and overview of NRG. Please press like button if you like this video and press dislike button if you want. And subscribe my channel and share it to your friends.